Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Skylight calendar suddenly shows an offline status or refuses to join your home network, you are definitely not the only one facing this issue. A Wi Fi problem can prevent the Skylight calendar from syncing events, updating chores, and displaying the latest information for your family. In many cases, the issue is caused by a weak signal, incorrect credentials, router interruptions, or a temporary software glitch. Thankfully, you usually don't need complicated repairs to get things working again. In this video, I'll walk you through several simple troubleshooting steps that may help reconnect your Skylight calendar and restore normal operation. Try these. Step 1. Move the Skylight calendar closer to your router and make sure the wireless signal is strong. Step 2. Re-enter the Wi-Fi password on the Skylight calendar and verify that the network name is correct. Step 3. Restart your home router and give the Skylight calendar a few moments to search for the connection again. Step 4. Unplug the Skylight calendar from power for a short period and then reconnect it. Step 5. Open the network settings on the Skylight calendar and reconnect it to your preferred Wi Fi network. Step 6. Confirm that the Skylight calendar is online again and that events and updates are syncing properly.